So my name is Tina Calkin, and I have been with the Anchor School District for, 14 years this year. And I came from being an adult probation and parole officer into teaching this class. So Skills USA has multiple competitions. And two of the competitions they have are criminal justice and crime scene investigation. Two different competitions. And crime scene investigation is a team of 3 students who work as a team to process a scene in 30 minutes. That's all they get is 30 minutes to process a predetermined scene. They don't get to see the scene. They know nothing about the scene. They walk in and they have to assess, they have to process, and then they have to close within that 30-minute time frame. Then they get another 30 minutes afterwards to seal evidence, write out their crime scene logs, type up a report, and take a readable fingerprint. And they turn all that into the judges along with their photos, their diagrams, all of their evidence, and they're graded on that. What they were doing today was practicing for their 30-minute timed scene. Can they process the scene within that 30 minutes? So the scene that they processed was a bloody footprint. A bloody footprint, 2 shell casings, a bloody knife, and an ID under a trash can. The idea is for them to have to look. They need to look at everything. They need to over, around, behind. They need to pull out drawers. They need to lift things up because evidence can be anywhere. And as a crime scene investigator or a detective who goes out on a crime scene, you need to be thinking very broadly, and you need to be looking at things as if you're looking at something for the very first time ever. So today they had to swab for blood. They had to collect a knife and put it in the knife box and secure it with zip ties. They would have to put the shell casings inside some sort of other container before putting it in a bag so you don't destroy the shell casings, so they can be processed by the lab. They would want to take the ID, because potentially you might find fingerprints or something like that on the ID. And the biggest challenge of any team is communication. So that's kind of what they were doing today, was learning how to communicate with this particular group.